My name's Perry, and today we're going to do a little walkthrough of this boat here. This is a 2019 Searay 19 SPX Outboard. So you can see in the back, you've got your Mercury outboard. And then with this series, you got a lot of storage. So you just put up this sun pad, and you've got storage both on the starboard side as well as down where the inboard would be. So you put that down, you've got lots of nice sun pad here. And then you've got insulated coolers, so you put a lot of drinks, sandwiches for the day in there, as well as another nice storage spot here. Lots of cup holders, stereo surround system here, Fusion Fosgate, and then so up here at the helm, you've got your trim and tilt steering wheel, you got your throttle, you've got Simrad 6-inch, that's going to be your chart plotter, your digital depth gauge, and some more speed and engine information. You got lots of floor storage. Again, you've got 2 bucket seats as well. So you got the thigh rise bolsters on both. And as we move forward, you've got a nice storage locker for, say, your electronics for the day, your phones, your iPads, whatever it may be. Again, cup holders throughout. Up here in the bow, and lots of spacious. You got stainless steel hand grabs right here, just where you need them. They're nice. They're very ergonomic. And then you can take this out, as well as if you want to go off the bow, say on a beach, you've got non-skid there as well. So that's just a quick walkthrough of this boat. If you'd like to find out more information, please give us a call or come down to the store. Thank you.